Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the adapter and drivers. This is critical because Windows doesn't natively treat the Switch GameCube adapter as a standard joystick. First, plug the adapter into a USB port and connect a controller. Then download Zadig and run it as administrator to replace the adapter's driver with WinUSB. This lets emulator and Steam recognize inputs. Once done, make sure Steam is closed to avoid driver conflicts, and keep Zadig open until the WinUSB installation completes successfully. Now you configure input mapping so games accept the GameCube pad. Open Steam's controller settings and enable generic gamepad configuration support. Steam can emulate an Xbox controller. If using emulators or non-Steam games, install an X input wrapper or Joy-Shock mapper to translate inputs reliably. Map buttons and analogs to match standard layouts, and calibrate sticks from Windows game controllers if drift appears. Once mappings are stable, save profiles per game so you don't redo steps later. Finish by thoroughly testing in a game and in Windows controller settings. Confirm every button, trigger, and stick responds and that inputs are correctly mapped. If the adapter isn't detected, run Zadig again to reinstall WinUSB, try a different USB port, or reboot. For intermittent issues, use a powered USB hub to avoid low-power faults and check for adapter firmware updates. If drift or mismaps persist, remap with Joy-Shock mapper and save a clean profile so you can restore it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.